Natural remedies for growing hair back. Natural remedies for growing hair back can avoid some of the complications of transplants and other processes. Hair loss is something that happens to most men and many women, but the process can be prevented, slowed, or even reversed in some cases. While transplants are the quickest way to replace lost hair, they do have some disadvantages. One is that they do not stop further hair loss. So for example, a man with a round balding patch at the crown who has transplants, will later probably develop a bald ring around the transplanted area as the hair loss spreads. The other main disadvantage is that unless you have a series of many treatments, people are likely to notice that you suddenly have more hair. They may think it is a hairpiece, toupee, or wig. Natural hair loss remedies come in various forms, and the best results are likely to come from using more than one. Massage. Scalp massage can stimulate hair growth where the loss is temporary or not severe, and can help to prevent further loss of hair. Gently massage the full scalp with your fingertips for about 3 minutes each day. Be careful not to scratch the scalp with your nails or damage any growing hair. Massage with jojoba oil will provide the scalp with B and E vitamins plus many minerals that will give hair a boost. Jojoba oil is particularly effective if you have a tendency to skin problems such as dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis, or oily hair. A Chinese form of massage said to stimulate the follicles involves tapping the scalp with the fingers of both hands. Beginning in the middle of the base of the skull at the back, tap about 20 times, then move the tapping slowly upward and outward around the ears. Then begin again at the back a little higher than where you started before. Repeat until you have covered the whole scalp, finishing at the front. Nutrition and vitamins. The hair requires a full balance of vitamins and minerals to grow healthily. Most of us do not get all that we need from our diets. Increasing your intake of fresh fruits and green leafy vegetables to around 10 varied portions a day will go a long way toward rectifying any deficiencies. Make sure that you are getting enough of these nutrients, in particular Vitamin A, all B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, iron, copper, iodine, essential fatty acids. You can track all of the nutrients in your diet. If any of the above nutrients are deficient in your diet, you can either look for foods that contain more of them, best option, or take supplements, except for vitamin A, which should always be supplied from food. The best food sources of vitamin A are orange and red vegetables such as carrots, pumpkin, red pepper, etc., or dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach. Men should pay particular attention to the amount of zinc in their diet because it is very important for the prostate. It is vital to have enough, but too much can cause problems. Herbal remedies. Men may find the herbal treatment saw palmetto useful in treating hair loss. This is believed to have an action on the prostate, which is involved in typical male pattern baldness. Be careful not to take too much, because if the male hormones that lead to hair loss are reduced too far, breast tissue can develop. Saw palmetto may be useful for some women too, but must not be taken with hormone therapy, oral contraceptives, or any other medication that contains hormones. Reduce stress. Stress can cause hair loss, and therefore anything you can do to reduce stress or anxiety in your life is likely to have a beneficial effect on your hair. Try meditation or practice relaxation techniques for 10 minutes each morning, preferably after exercise. Regular exercise will both reduce stress and create a healthier skin and scalp. These solutions may help in cases for male pattern baldness and age-related hair loss in women. They do not constitute a health treatment or cure. If your hair loss is related to health problems or medication or has an unknown cause, it is best not to rely on natural remedies for growing hair back, and you should see your doctor.